Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening two more of the Vinylmations from my haul in Orlando. So first one up is this Vinylmation Park 13, and these are the ones that you can get. These cost originally $12.95, but I bought them in the discount store in the outlets for $3.99. So we're just gonna hop straight in and open. So we're just looking for the little pull tab, and first one out is this one. So the bottom of it says Park Series 13 Tom Sawyer Island Caves by Ron Coohey. There we go. So this is what it looks like. So you can see there's like fire and it's a cave, and there's fire at the bottom. And then the back of it says Old Scratch's Mystery Mine. Old Scratch's Mystery Mine. And then here is like gems and diamonds and all that sort of stuff that you will find in it. So that one's pretty cute. Not my favorite of that series, but pretty cute all the same. Second, we are going to open these brand new Mickey Mouse cartoon series. So these only came out on the 6th of March. So these were $12.95, and I bought them in D Street. And the ones you can collect are as so. So we will just jump straight in and open. Or try to open. Oh, it's not opening. So, oh no, that wasn't the pull tab, was it? Here we go. Oh, these are hard. We got Daisy. So it says Daisy Duck No Service by Billy Dans, is it? Let me know if you know. So we have Daisy Duck. So she has one ear as like a little umbrella. And then she has her bow, and then this ear is free. She has very stylish sunglasses on. She's very cute at the side. She's this little flower. She has like little trousers on. And at the top here is the top of her umbrella. She is extremely cute. Definitely a good one to pick for our first of that one. So let me know, guys, which of these two is your favorite from today's picks. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon with more Vinylmations.